So these are some basic directions for your changing weather project. So when you look at it here, what we're looking to try to prove if temperatures have changed over time. So we're going to click into this website here. This website gives us the ability to search past dates with specific cities. You usually want to choose your larger cities just because there's going to be more information and it's going to allow you to go back further in time. So let's say we choose Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. You just can hit submit and it'll give you today. We want to change this tab to monthly then because we're looking at monthly data here. And then up at the top here, here you can see it says month of April 2014. So if I want to keep April, I certainly can. You can change it to whatever month you would like though. So if I wanted to search for my data for, let's say, October, I can click on October, hit view. Now obviously there wasn't an October 2014 yet, so we'd have to switch it to 2013 because that would be the most recent. And here you can see we have our averages. Okay, so it gives us some information here. We have our max temperature, our minimum temperature, our mean temperature. So here's the max, the average, and the min. Okay, we want to look at our mean temperature average. Okay, our mean temperature average. So we would grab this number and we'd go back to our project, and this would be our first entry here for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So we'd put Philadelphia, Pennsylvania here. We'd put October of 2013, and we'd put the mean temperature. Okay. We would go and we would collect the most recent 10 dates. So we'd go from 2013 all the way down to 2004. Okay, and we would enter each one of these individually then. So in 2013, we'd view it. So it's 59 and 13. It's 57 and 12. We go on and so forth. Then we need to do the 10 oldest dates that we can find for the city. So you might have to search around for this a little bit. Some of them have it going back all the way back to the date that they show. But here you can see, like for 1949, we don't have that information. So you have to search around for it a little bit. So let's say I hit 58. Here you can see they have 58, so I want to see maybe, okay, can I get a little bit further in the past? So let's maybe go to 55. Okay, they don't have 55. So we'll just kind of work our way up to 58 to see if that was the most recent. Here we have 1957. So 1957 would be our oldest date that we have this information on. So you can see it was an average of 53 degrees for our mean temperature. So we would do 57, and then we do the oldest 10 dates that we could do. So we do 57 all the way up to 66, and that would be our oldest 10 dates. Then we're going to take that data, and now we have two samples, and we're going to look at, okay, well, what's the difference between those two samples? So you should have your one sample of your newest 10 dates, or your most recent 10 years here, your oldest 10 years here with their associated mean temperatures, and then you should run a confidence interval and a hypothesis test for this data. Enter your information in here, draw your conclusions, and then compare the two answers. So compare the confidence interval to the hypothesis test. Okay, just so you know, if you're not sure about how to submit this, you can watch a video right here. If you're having trouble understanding how to submit this, click on this video. So you can click on that. It's about 3 minutes long, describing the steps to making sure that it's shared with me and that it's submitted in the correct place. Okay, any questions you can certainly ask me.